Well, hey everybody, it's me, Mitch, old guy and a drone, and had a live stream last night, and about 3/4 of the way through it, I think we broke YouTube. Strange things started happening, and we were still there talking, but we had no idea what was going on. It said our stream was offline. We went to check out our channels. It said there was no content. We started looking all over the internet, and it appeared that YouTube had crashed and burned. And I'm here to take full responsibility for that. Chances are it was our fault, this crew that I had assembled and myself. Now, even though YouTube crashed, we still had our little panel discussion going because we were streaming through StreamYards. So we went on trying to figure out what was wrong. It never came back. So I, just on the off chance that this thing was still being recorded somewhere, I went ahead and actually finished the show, said goodbye, and shut it down. About half an hour later, YouTube came back, and I was really surprised to see that this part of my show actually survived. So I'm going to show it to you now. This is the part of the show where we discover that YouTube was indeed gone. And now I kind of know how the musicians on the Titanic felt because they kept playing while the ship was sinking. So enjoy this. We'll see you later. Am I still live, guys? Because my thing kind of blinked and I just looked like I went offline for a second.
No,
your picture went fuzzy for a second, but
yeah, something happened, and it did. It keeps doing it now. It's doing it again.
I haven't noticed any change. Have you guys?
I saw one.
Well, you won't see it on StreamYard, but you might see it on the stream itself.
Right.
Let me take a look at. Let me go pull up the stream
What
itself.
are you looking for a lag?
Yeah, you.
I haven't seen anything.
Any of you guys in the stream?
Been pretty smooth.
Uh-oh. What the hell is going on here?
Damn it, Jim! I need.
Uh-oh. Yep.
Something bad happened.
Yeah, video playback interrupted. Please try again.
I'm not getting that.
I tried to load my channel and nothing was there. Maybe they wiped me off
Nothing
the air.
to adjust here.
You're there. You're on YouTube.
I think is the chat still working?
Yeah.
I don't.
Oh, no, there was a problem with the server. 400.
Yep.
You're off.
Yep. You're
Yeah.
off to see the wizard, the wonderful.
Somebody type something in the chat.
They can't. It's not
wizard.
there.
Yeah, because you're offline.
The chat's not there.
Okay. All right, guys. Well, looks like my show got ended prematurely, and the only way that I can do it, I think something happened to YouTube. I think something happened to YouTube, guys.
Let me check.
Let
I'll
me
check. I'll check something else on YouTube.
let me.
You're right.
Can you?
YouTube. It's not you.
YouTube's down, isn't it?
Yes. You're right. Yep. It's YouTube. I
wow.
just checked
Holy shit! Right in the middle. What did we do, guys?
right in the middle.
We'll chat amongst ourselves.
Yeah, YouTube. It's not you.
The Booster Studio's still up.
I doubt it. You sure?
I can't even get into YouTube.
No, I can't get any YouTube. Let me see Night Train's video. No, it's gone. Oh wait, Night Train is there, but the chat is gone. How's that possible?
Wait a minute. Let me try another browser.
Uh-oh. Yeah, I went over to Claude's channel and it says this channel doesn't have any content.
Yeah, my channel is showing.
Uh-oh.
I can't even bring up subscriptions. There's a temporary issue loading your subscriptions. That's what I'm getting. You know.
Yeah. All right.
Uh-oh. It looks like we're SOL.
Well, we're having a nice little show. I don't imagine that is still being recorded or not. But all right, guys. Well, take the rest of the day off.
That's strange.
Well, hey,
Thanks for coming in. Let me see if I can get it on my cell phone and see what happens.
Great.
That's what I'm
There
using.
was a problem with the server, 429.
Yeah.
Oh my God, YouTube has crashed.
uh-oh.
It's
Well-
it's our fault. I know it.
China.
Here we go.
China.
We have crashed YouTube. I wonder if my email works. Let's see if the whole internet crashed.
No, email works.
Yeah,
Yeah,
my
you-
email's still working and
Yeah.
Yep.
all that other stuff at is Yahoo.
Oh, I got it. Your new cred score has arrived.
Hey, buy me a car, would you? But when I go to my YouTube channel, it says upload a video to get started.
Big crash. My wife. I know YouTube on her iPad.
That's like I don't even have a chat. God, I hope YouTube didn't lose my whole channel. Oh, wouldn't that be something
would
if YouTube
suck.
got wiped out?
Oh.
Wow.
Oh, God.
So if that's the case, it was nice, guys. It was
Yeah.
nice. I'm still
Time to
showing
rebuild.
video
So-
playback interrupted. I'm still showing 12 viewers logged into this thing, and now it's back up to 13. The numbers keeps changing.
Hmm.
Nobody's
Oh, wait a minute.
putting any.
Wait a
What?
minute.
Is it
No.
back?
I thought we were getting
Oh.
more. It's gone.
Yep. Yeah, it says this channel doesn't have any content on
Yes.
your.
Variation
Yeah.
It says it on every channel.
Yep.
Yeah, the header comes up, but the server, evidently, their server that has all
You
the
know what's funny? Mike?
videos
Look,
on it.
This is Mike's live stream, and they're there, but you can't get into any, like, this is what you see on the.
Well, they have YouTube
This is what you see on the
has
top where the
uh,
chat is. You see?
YouTube has multiple servers, and connected by hundreds of routers, and it's possible for some of it to go down, yet not all of it. So it's possible that the video feed to his thing might be working, but the server that's handling the chat is down. Anyway, as
Look
long
at
as it isn't just me, my chat is locked up.
I can
We're
watch,
on a whole separate app.
but I
We're
can
on.
watch EBR's video. How does that work on YouTube? But yet,
What's that?
I'm watching EBR's video that he posted here, but yet I get this message.
I have no idea how that's happening. I can't even. When I type YouTube.com, I just get a server. Or anyway. All right,
I
guys,
thought
we'll wrap
Windows
it up.
95 was done.
Who?
Windows 95.
95, yeah, you'd think.
Yeah.
All right, guys, I don't know if anybody will ever see this, but in
No.
case they do, I'm going to play some music. Going to end the show. I'm going to
Well,
say
good to
goodbye
see
to
you,
all.
Mitch.
Thanks for.
Hey, belated happy birthday, Mitch.
Thank you,
Yeah.
buddy. Thank you. Thanks for coming in, guys. So
Right.
Thanks for
take
having
care.
me.
We'll end the show. Maybe it'll all get recorded and it'll show up in the playback, even though it wasn't live. So because this thing is still streaming to somewhere.
Yeah.
Somewhere this stream is going. So
All right.
we'll call it a night a half hour early, and I'll see you guys on Sunday night if there's still a YouTube.
All right. Have a good one,
Take care.
guys.
All
Good
right.
night,
You
everybody.
take care.
All right. Bye-bye.
Bye.
All right. Good night.
Bye-bye.
Bye-bye, Art. And that just leaves me and the monkey, if anybody's around. I know the monkey's still here. So I'm going to say goodnight to all you guys, and let's just pray that YouTube gets their act together and all of our shit isn't gone forever. And if it isn't, I will see you all Sunday night at the FPV workshop. So say goodnight, Spanky.